once again.
It's James here at Riley's Autos, and we've come here to look at this Nissan at Nissan dealership here in Letchworth. It's losing power and it's also not starting. First of all, we're going to jump start it and move it from this parking space to a suitable location. Hello, it's James here at Riley's Autos. We're going to change some glow plugs on this. So we have just removed this cover, and down here, you can pull these little tabs and pull the wire off of each glow plug down here. These ones. So you got 1, 2, 3 and 4 just down there. I'm just going to spray each glow plug with some WD-40. Here we've got a glow plug removal set, and this one is the 10mm. That fits on there. So we've got a set of these glow plugs here. So we're going to get our tool down in here, get it on, and we're just going to twist and just make sure that you can feel them twisting nice and smoothly. If it's way too tight, then you just got to be careful not to snap them. We're just gonna put our glow plugs in the socket there, and then we can get it down in here and fit it. I'm just going to tighten those down. And we're just going to do the same on 1, 2, 3, 4. Just going to wiggle this engine cover back into place. Put the clips back in and the bolts. Now the pointless engine cover is back on, but it looks nice and pretty. Get the boost pipe back in place. Now we can push this back into place, and then we've got 2 bolts to go back on here. Tighten these bolts back into place for the boost holes, and that's all done. That's another one done. Thank you and goodbye.